And what's your name?
Welton Beckett.
Welton. So what are we looking at here?
We're looking at probably a 1930s typewriter desk with a hidden, when you put the top down or the top up, it hides the typewriter from view, and then it gives you a nice working surface.
Wow.
You can put the typewriter away for guests coming over or whatever, and then when you want to get it out, it easily comes out like this, and you can start using it like that.
So we're just going to come in on the typewriter itself so we can see it says Woodstock. There's people who want to buy this just because it says Woodstock, probably. So do you know anything about Woodstock typewriters?
Yes, I do.
Well, tell us a little bit about
Woodstock,
them.
Illinois is where it's made. This is where all of our typewriters made. Several other companies. This is probably from 1923 or 1917. It's got a patent number on the back. Okay, and it wouldn't take that much to get this thing running again. It just needs a new ribbon and then a new drawstring, which actually, when you hit this bar, it goes to the left. So you need a drawstring on here. So every time you hit this, it pulls it to the left. Right now, it isn't attached.
Okay.